Hi, in this video, I'm going to go through our online payroll software with you and then go through every feature with you to make sure you understand how it works. So because the features are a lot, this video is going to be in series, so this one will be a part one. And yeah, so let's just go through. So this is our online payroll developed by Blue Veils Technology. Yeah, so when you open the online software, this is the welcome page. When you go through, you can just see our pricing plan, and then yeah, you can just start from there. So when you want to create an account, it's just simple. You can just go here, get started, or right here, you just register for a free trial. So when you register the account, we give you about 30 days free trial, so you can try the software out and then just get familiar with it. Okay, so in this video I've already created an account, so we are not going to go there now. So let me just open the create account page for you and then you can see. Okay, so when you enter your details, you just continue and then you create the account, and then it's just simple, so you can do it very easily. So let's just go to the login page and then let me log into my account. So when you create the account, you are given a company ID. So you use that company ID to access your account. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So I have been logged in to my account, and this is the dashboard. Okay. So from the dashboard, you can see a lot of details, and then you can go through each one. Yeah, so what I will do first is show you how this part works, the top sidebar, and then on the left side of your screen you have the menu bar here. So yeah, I'll go through with you. So mostly what you do first is you just go to the top right corner here. When you click it, you go to settings, make sure everything is detailed well, so you can run your payroll. You understand? Okay. So when you go to your settings, you go through each section and then you fill out the details there, and you can work with it. So how our payroll software is a multi-system payroll software, meaning you can use the payroll software to run for so many companies. That's mostly unlimited companies with unlimited number of employees. Okay, and then the way we charge fee is very cheap, and then you can either pay it monthly or you can pay it yearly. Okay, so when you get to settings, you just select, make sure everything is detailed well. You can go here to company settings, just enter the details of your company, you understand, and then yeah, so you just scroll through the menu bar here, yeah, and then you just set, make sure all the settings are correct, right? So there's a few settings. Let me go through with the payroll settings. Yeah, so you just, the taxable rates are here. If for some reason it's changed, you can just change it here, and yeah. So you can go through yourself and then you understand everything. It's just simple. So with the payroll, we have a clock in and then the clock out system. So when the employee comes to work, all they have to do is just clog in, and then when they are done with work, then they clog out. So the clog out and clogging system helps in a way that you are able to track when the employee came in and when the employee clogged out, and then it's also able to calculate the overtime for that particular employee for you. You understand? So when you go to the clogging system here, the employee enters their employee ID and then they just log in. You understand? Yes. So you just enter the ID, you just log in. Okay. And then we also have the clog out system. That's when the person has closed, they just clog out and then that's it. So yeah, and then the person enters their employee ID and then yeah, they clog out. Okay. Yeah. So moving on, let's just finish everything at the top bar here. Moving on, we have the notification icon here. When you select, if you have a message from the software administrator, will be here. And then if you have any notifications about anything, they actually show up here. So this notification says employee payment. So this is notifying you that you have to pay a particular employee, and then it is pending your approval of paying that particular employee. You understand? So we can just go here and then we show all our notifications. And yeah, so this one actually gives you detailed information about who you are paying and how much you are paying to the person. So payment of 303.8 Ghana cedis to Dr. Michael Baden available for January 2027. And so just for that, for a particular month in a year, it's waiting your approval. So you can just select it, and then it takes you to a point where you actually approve the payment for that particular person. So here, if you are approving, if you are paying with a check, you can just put the check number here, and to which bank, you understand, you just put that one to the if it's being deposited by someone or paid by someone, the person's name is here. So mostly by default, the user who has logged into this account's name is there. Okay. Yes. And the best way, the reason I'll say our software is very good is you can actually pay right from your dashboard here. When you select pay employee, you can actually pay straight into the person's either mobile money or bank account. Okay. Yeah. So when you select this, it will just it will just do the payment for you. You can I just cancel it because I just don't want to send any money anywhere. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing at the top corner is the send message. So when we go to the send message, what this send message is you want to send an SMS to either a user, maybe you want to send a message to an employee. So here you select who you want to send it to. Either you want to send it to an employee, either you want to send it to a company, and all that. So you select maybe employee, and first, if your account is a multi-purpose account, then you have to select the company you are using and which employee, you understand. So when you select employees, and then you select which person you are trying to send the message to. Okay. If you want to schedule it to be sent some other time, you can just schedule, you select the date, time, and then you schedule it. So if you want to send it through email and then phone number too, you can just do that. You input your message here, and then that's pretty much it. And then you just select send message, and then it sends it for you straight. Okay. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So I like to end the first video here, and then we continue in the next one. Thank you.